Welcome back to Wildsunne Art Studio. My name is Robinsunne, and today we have a guest.
Hello, my name is Xara, and I am Robinson's daughter.
So my lovely daughter was very excited at an art journal that I was making. I let her into this journal. I just want you to know that this is my October one-of-a-kind junk journal challenge for Dear Julie, and I'll link all the important stuff below. So, Xara, are you ready?
I am.
Okay, so we only have 10 minutes, and we just want you to show everybody this book, and you can talk about what you like and what you think works or doesn't work or whatever. All right?
Okay.
Have fun.
Well, I've already had a sneak preview, but these are very cool. Yeah, I just like the positive message in them. It's kind of like, ooh, look at that. And those are really neat. I like the roses.
Those roses, yeah. Those spiral roses.
Yeah.
So there had to be 5 elements, 5 sort of decorative things on the cover. So I thought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I did it.
So you overdid it.
Yep.
Classic you. What's in here? Ooh! Wait, is this an ATC?
It is. That's an artist trading card.
Oh my god.
Because miracles freaking abound.
Yeah.
So these are decorated tags. This is a tag that has a tab on it.
Oh, okay.
Which are 2 of the things that had to be in the journal.
Tags?
Tags and tabs.
Tags and tabs.
So
Is
these
this
are
a letter?
more Journaling. Hey, I don't have anything in there. I'm going to have to put something in there. So this is a journaling tag, and that's a journaling tag. Do you see that this is little teeny, this is 5-point words,
yeah.
and I just spaced them out. Yes, so this needs a tag in there.
It's just a placeholder.
Yeah.
Wow.
And these are coloring pages that I have made. I made this one by tracing a paper cut. I love this. I gave Susan the journal that these came from.
Susan? Oh, wow. That's so cool.
So that journal now lives in Hawaii.
Now in Hawaii, dang. And you just write things on these?
Yeah, so these are little journaling cards. So I was thinking maybe if you had a quote that was really inspiring, you could take a card out, and you could take maybe a silver pen and write it on.
A notebook.
And a little notebook. So this is one of my belly bands.
Mm-hmm.
Because it goes across the belly of the page, I think.
Oh,
I think
wait, did you coin that? Or
No.
Okay.
That's from somebody else. So we had to make some tassels. So these are 2 of my tassels.
Was this challenge all about just using paper?
Yes, we had to make one cover with 5 items of collage. The book had to have 2 signatures, which we do. 1 signature, 2 signatures.
Okay.
There are 3 belly bands in the books. There are 4 flips. I'm looking at this list up here. Oh, so sorry to jiggle the camera. 5 tucks, 6 embellished clips. And have we got a clip yet? No, we don't.
It's a staple.
Yeah, isn't that it's called a mini attacher. It's hilarious. It's like a mini. Oh, did you see this?
Mm-hmm.
Did you show everybody?
No, I didn't.
And we're going to have to kind of roll this party along.
Okay. Well.
So I used a piece of acetate packaging from something or other.
Ooh.
More journaling space.
And coloring pages. Space. Yeah. And then.
My little tags.
Ooh. I thought this was
So make sure everybody can see journaling. And this is one of my new embellishments that I call hanging pebbles. We were talking about these ripples out, like you throw a pebble in a pond, and then
okay,
there are
gotcha,
ripples
yeah.
out, so they're ripples of color.
Oh, more ATCs.
Yeah.
I love my mud and a feather. Wow. Oh. Dang, that's cool.
So we had to have flips. These are
Yeah.
some of my flips out. More of my coloring pages and writing pages. I think that's a
It's
fold
a
open
book.
card.
Card?
Yep.
Oh, it's a card.
Journaling card, yeah. Some
More
more
tags.
with tabs. Oh, look, and this is one of the paper clips.
Oh.
Isn't that hilarious?
Wait, that's cool. That's so cool. And it's this coloring.
More coloring, yeah. Another flip.
Name your delight.
Yeah. And more hanging
Pebbles.
pebbles.
Oh, paper on your fun, like, line stuff.
Yeah. So if you had something secret to write, you could tuck it in the pocket, and
Oh,
only you could see
gotcha.
it. Somebody could flip through the journal, but they wouldn't see your secret writing.
Right. Wait, that's cool. Oh,
Have I
wait.
shown you this?
No.
So this turquoisey color is one stencil, and then this pale blue color is another stencil, and then this darker blue, and I just stacked them all on top of each other on the photocopier and copied them.
That's so cool. Dang.
Thank you. I'm glad you're enjoying it.
More tags?
Yeah. That's little guardian dollies.
We love guardian dollies.
And that's a tab on a journaling card.
Oh, wow.
And again, you'd have to use a silver pen.
But,
or
like,
something.
decadent pens are more fun anyway.
Yeah.
So.
Decadent pens. One could start a pen company called Decadent. You saw that tag before.
Yeah, the one with the fringe that said huzzah.
And there's fringe on the front
And on the back.
and on the back.
Play. Always play. Wait, so how did this
So
go?
tuck the card part in with
But
the
fringe on
out.
top. Gotcha.
Like a story, there's a song. I want to ride on
Wonder. I feel. Wait. Oh, that's so cool.
Aren't these fun?
They're
They're
so
actually
funny.
loops. This is another
Journaling page.
tab
Oh,
on a tag.
tab on a tag.
We had to have 12 tabs on and 11 tags.
This is cool.
And I showed you this before,
Yeah, you
right?
did like the gate.
Can you pull it out?
I don't know. Is it like glue?
No, I think the journaling paper is catching on the weaving.
Yeah, right there.
There's a
You
tag
can
and
write.
a journaling card and
The
a
coloring page.
belly band. So let's just put that on top because that's a little tricky to get in. Oh, another one of these.
Oh, the
paper
clips. That's cool.
So just the one side.
Gotcha. Is this a pocket or just a... Okay.
Is it pocket? No,
No.
it's just a decoration.
Another ATC. Everything is copacetic.
Back in the 60s, that was like kind of a thing to say.
Really?
The groovy people said that.
I have angels and magic. Oh, I have
journaling.
journaling.
Oh, and look at this.
Is this another one of your printed things?
Yeah, so I sprayed over this stencil, and then it was you can see it was kind of wet, so I put another piece of paper on top of both the stencil and where I had sprayed, so you get all the color.
Wait, that's cool.
Yeah, I kind of like how it turned out.
It's got like that like rustic, modern, contemporary vibe. Like, you know, if you like spray paint, not spray paint, but like how people will paint white over bricks, but like to have a little bit of like the red pop out of it.
Oh, yeah.
And these are notes, coloring.
Yep, just little, they're kind of a drawing of the hanging pebbles.
Yeah, I can see that. Dang.
More more hanging pebbles.
And
another
another clip.
paper clip. Another paper
Oh,
clip.
and another clip. Oh, and it flips out. Wait, dude. That's so cool. Oh, hanging pebbles.
Yeah.
And a pebble clip. And then a journal.
Teeny journal. You know, if you want to just tuck it in your pocket and go out to lunch or something.
And then just jot things down.
Yeah.
Another pocket. Coloring, like, things, and an ATC.
That says magic.
Ooh.
And feathers.
Kite feathers. Oh, and fringe. Oh, and wait, this is so cool. It's
So
just,
that's
that's
my
like
business
your business card.
Uh-huh.
And then does it opens, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
And lots of fringe.
Fringe for days.
Ta-da.
Wait, that's so cool. And it
Here, let's fold that one.
oh, I was like, does it close? No. It's just like oh, and the first paper clip
That
we
there
missed.
yes.
Yeah. Ooh.
So there. I did it. I did the challenge for the Dear Julie channel.
That's so cool.
So thank you to Dear Julie for posing this challenge for all of us. It was really fun for me to make. And thank you to my darling daughter for being so supportive and excited by this. It's really fun to hear her sort of exclaim like, whoa, dude, no. You know,
It's so cool
yes,
though.
yes.
I like these leaves.
Yeah, the 3-dimensional leaves. Oh, this actually is the first paper
Oh, it's
clip.
the first one. Okay.
That's a little paper clip on a tag. But I love these spiral
And the
roses.
leaves. I like the leaves a lot too.
Okay, get everybody in there. Alrighty. So at the end of all of my videos,
Ooh.
didn't we talk on our drive
Yeah, we
yesterday
did.
about who these originated with?
Mm-hmm.
And her birthday was 2 days ago, I guess,
think
or
so.
something. So may you amaze your children. And yeah, just blessings to us all. Have fun making journals wherever you are. Be fabulous. All right, I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Want to say bye?
Bye.